It ain't
Come
coming out of
on.
my account
Ooh, baby.
on auto pay.
My
And that's
God.
just 700 that I can put towards and
Come
pay something else
on.
off. And I'm like, I just, oh my Lord Jesus.
I rejoice with you.
I'm
Jesus.
telling you, because we sit and we just be thinking, oh, we got to have, we got to have, we got to have. And what's gonna happen if this, and what's
You
gonna
see
happen if
that?
that. But that means we're not trusting
That's
God.
right.
And I want to
That's
fully
right.
trust him because I just feel so free.